All right, today we're gonna bring a window shade, and this is a different one that we're gonna set up. So my old one is like, you gotta bring it down. It's a little very difficult to, you gotta tie it down and so forth. So we're gonna set up a new one in here and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and do that. Just before you order it, make sure you get the actual right measurements. And the vendor was kind enough to send it out for us to review. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, they could custom make them for you. Very simple. They give you the tools. Make sure you get the right measurements. This one works automatically. So I'm going to show you how to put it together. Review a couple of things. So this is the thing that's going to grab onto the actual blinds. If you guys can see it, you have to push them from the back. All right, they grip on the back and they kind of just clip. That's all they do. All right, when you enter them, put them in there, goes to the bottom, if you guys can see the bottom, and they just push in and they clip on. All right, so it has to be basically from the bottom up, and that's how they pretty much handle. And they give you options if you want to extend it, if you need to extend it longer. Right, I like that they give you the charging station so you can charge the system, remote, instructions how to download the app, and a base wall control too. So this is awesome, with magnet too in the wall. So you go set it up different degrees and so forth. So if you lose the control or you don't have the app, you could do either or. There we go. There we go. Straighten it up. Hold on. All right, so we're setting it up now. And like I said, facing back first, grabbing the back first. I want to make sure that it grabs on perfect. So line it up where you want in the back. And then once we set it up, we start pushing it forward. Push the button now. There's one. We'll push the other one. And there's the other one. So we got it flush. Move it however you want, and it's pretty much flush. It's flush from there, so perfect fit. I don't want to get it all the way in. We got clearance for the window, so we got plenty clearance. This is beautiful cover. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. It's about charging. There it is right there. The charging type C goes in this, and look how beautiful and flush it came out on my actual window. Perfect fit. We're gonna go ahead and start charging it. I do have a USB connection right next to it. So all right, I'm gonna give you guys three options. You could remote control the actual system. You got one control, which is one button here, and then you got this button here, which you could program it to different degrees, different angles, and so forth. It comes with its own backing. It's magnetic. It has magnets. It magnetizes itself in there, so you could drill this into a wall. And I'm gonna show you what I did. So this is what happened. I'm charging it right now, as you can see, and this is where you actually program. You have to hold it down for 7 seconds, and then you have to hit the buttons, all right, to actually make sure the remote control works. And then you have to program it not to go all the way up to fill certain things, certain ways. But once you have the remote set up, it's easy to just bring it up and down, if you guys can see. So you could just bring it down, and automatically it's going to start going automatically down. This works with Alexa and Google. So I'm going to set that up right now, and look at this. It's filling my whole entire window, as you can see. Perfectly fine. And it's going to go all the way down, of course. Let me move these things out of the way so you guys can see. It's going to hit the bottom because I gave it the right measurements, and it should be able to stop automatically. I'm going to have the control here so you guys can see how automatically it should stop. All right, so it's going to hit all the way to the bottom, and it's flush with my window. Look at that. It's going all the way up. I had a clearance, was perfect for this actual window. I like the whole setup. It took me a couple, maybe like 20 minutes to set the whole entire thing. That's how fast and simple it is. Once you get your measurements, like I did, I had perfect measurements from side to side, up and down, and I was able to fulfill the order with the actual system. So, and look at this. It's gonna hide itself up there, so you won't see the excessive extra window shade, if you guys can see. And of course, like I said, Alexa and Google are compatible. And I'm charging it right now, but once it finished charging, you go unplug it. It's gonna last you for hours, but You could keep it plugged in too. It has built-in lithium batteries. Will last you many hours, many usage, right? So right now, if you guys can see, I'm gonna kind of close it out or leave it open so I can see out and in. So you could stop it anytime you want. I have my window open, as you can see too, and it's flush. So that's a perfect right there. And of course, they have the sides. It's a little heavier on the bottom here. So you're able to see out, and they're not able to see in, all right? You're able to see out and get some fresh air. And I'm gonna show you from the outside. This is the outside, if you guys can see. And I do have a remote, and it still works with the remote, right? You guys can see. Still can't see out. See how easy it is to put together. And of course I can stop it from here if I want. Keep half of it out. This is from the outside.